Wow, check this out for motorcycle history. This is the 1953 Vincent Black Shadow. So think of this, as this was like a British superbike of the time. They're very expensive. This must have cost a huge amount of money here. And it was a V-twin with what looks like push rod valves. But look at the sculpting on the exhaust system. Like, that is just beautiful. And this was 55 horsepower, 1000cc V-twin, carbs, because that's the technology we had. And it only produced 55 horsepower, but it was achieving over 130 miles an hour. So, you know, that is superbike. And it's just preserved in this massive, great big glass. And it's just a bit of history. It's a bit of history for anyone that's curious, you know? And you notice that drum brakes, no discs. The equivalent of race handlebars back in the day. But very unreliable. That's the problem with these old engines. Because the technology was from such a long time ago, they often had problems. Fueling problems, lack of oil, because some of the engines back then still had the total loss system where the engine would lose oil, but modern engines retain the oil. So just things like that, halogen lights. It's a bit of motorcycling.